My name is Jessica Anderson, and this is for Biology 220 Lab, the dissection of the sheep eyeball. It has now been cut in half, but if we look to the exterior, this is the back of the exterior. This is where the optic nerve comes out. And if we look at the interior side, the exterior, this area is the cornea. The cornea is a covering. It allows light to enter through the eyeball. Large amount of this white hard area, this is the sclera, hard outer covering. On the inside, the pupil is here, opening through which the light enters. On either side is the iris. It's the colored part. It regulates the size of the pupil. To this side, the choroid is the thin layer that is between the retina and the sclera. And this blue kind of transparency portion, this is the tapetum lucidum. This over here, which has leaked out of the eyeball, that is the vitreous humor. It helps give the eyeball shape. And again, this is where the optic fiber comes out. The point where the optic fiber comes out of the eye is known as the blind spot. There's no cones or rods there. So that is the dissection of the sheep eye.